Welcome to Physics on Table channel. Today I am going to discuss multivariable calculus, and the topic for today is the tree diagram. I hope you know what is partial derivative. Just let's discuss some basics. Suppose you have a function f equals to x, y, z. Okay. Now if I say what will be the partial derivative of f with respect to x, okay, it will be this, like this. And here in normal derivative we just treat x, y and z three as variables, but here in partial derivative we are just going to treat uh, this one y and z as constants, and we'll just bring these two outside. So let's do that, and we're going to treat x as only the variable, so it is yz. Similarly, if the same function is given, okay, I close the windows, you will not get any sound or disturbances now. Okay, what I am saying is that if equals to x, y and z, the same function is given. Now you need to find the partial derivative of this function with respect to y. I hope you can do this now. You will treat x and z as constants and y as just the variable, and you will get let me do for those who are not so acquainted with this. This will be this. Similarly, I hope you can do this now. Okay, this is x and y, right? Okay, yeah. So just play with functions who are not so or I may say who are just beginners for this. Just write your own functions and just play with these variables. You will get practiced with it. It's easy. So, and I know half of my viewers are able to do this kind of things. Okay, so today we are going to learn tree diagram. Tree diagram is for it's very easy. Just I am telling you, just see this with attention. So suppose there is a function z, okay, z, and this z this is a variable. This z variable is depending on three more variables, which is x, y and z. Okay, and x is depending on another variable which is u. Similarly, y is depending on another variable u, and z is depending on another variable u. Okay, so how you will draw the tree diagram so that you can uh, write d del z del u as a combination of all these variables. Okay, this is very important. In general case it's very easy, but when you will get complex cases you need to follow this tree diagram. Many of you can write this without the help of tree diagram, but when you will get complex cases, that will be a little bit more complicated. That is why I'm making this video, to make it clear. So let me show you how you can draw the tree diagram. See, we have, let me write this, we have functions, yeah, z equals to fx and w. In the last page I think I have written z, it's let it be w, and this is z, you will get confused in that, so I am taking w. Okay, so x is a function of u, y is a function of u, and z is a function of u. So let here be z. So what is our target? Our target is to write del z del u. We are going to write z over here, and at last see z is over here and u is at last. So let's write u over here. Z is a function of x, y and w. Okay, this will be w. Yeah, w, correct. So I can write x, y, w. Okay, this will be w, not z. Please rectify it. I am extremely sorry for this. And x is a function of u, y is a function of u, w is a function of u. Okay, now see what you are going to write. This is z, this is x. Our target is to achieve this. So this is, you will write at top the first thing. You have to start from here and it's ending over here, right? So it's del x. Again, it is del x, it is u, that is x. If you will start from here, that is del x, and at the bottom you have to write del u. Same for this too. Here it is written z, first write z, here it is written y, at the bottom write y. Again, at the top you have to write y, this is at the bottom you have to write. Similarly for this case, the same. Okay, now see this one line, second line and third line. Okay, just write this. Our target is this, so we need to break this as a combination of all these things I have written. It is del z, del u. Are you able to see it? Yeah, I think yes. Del u equals to, see this first line, it is del z del x into del x del u. Sorry. Del z del x into del x del u, right? You have to just write the product of this first line. See the second line, it is, and now you have to just add. Let me cut this. Yeah, this is del z del y, this is del y del u, product of the single line and sum of the all the lines, del z del w, and it is del w del u, del w del u. Yeah, so this is the combination. This is the utilization of tree diagram for writing the combination. Let me take a little more complicated problem. Let z is a function of x and y, okay, and x is a function of u and v, y is a function of u and v. Okay, so this be z, and z is a function of x and y, and again x is a function of u and v, y is a function of u and v. We need to find del z del p. So obviously we are going to write p over here, and we are going to end this at this point, correct? And obviously it's clear that u is a function of p and v is also a function of p. Yeah, this is also mentioned, I forgot to write at first, so please note it down. So this is the case. Just what do you want at the top, just write at the top. What to want at the bottom, write it at the bottom. Just break into the functions as given. Z is a function of x and y, you have written that. Y is a function of u and v, you have written that. x is a function of u and v, y is a function of u and v, u is a function of p, v is a function of p, u is a function of eigenp. This is the case. Just practice 2 or 3 problems. If you want, I can also make you practice that. So just same procedure. Del, this is at the top, right at the top, this is at the bottom, right at the bottom. X is over here, x is over here, v is over here, correct? Just bottom, top, sorry, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, right? Again similarly, now you have you are a champion of doing this now at this moment, I know, so I'm not explaining you this anymore. Del y. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. If you have any problem, do comment. I will make you clear that. Okay, so this is now very easy. This is one line. Yeah, this second line. I'm writing this in that fashion. It will be okay. I hope you can see this. I think, yeah. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, I'm writing this way, or yeah, this way. Okay, so it is del z del p is equal to this line into this. They are the same line, so it will be a product plus this line. This is another line, del x, del x, del v, del v, del p. Again another line. Another line is, which line I may say? Yeah, this line. It is just it is in your notebook, so pause the video to write it off by yourself and check it, it's correct or not. It is del z del y del y del v del v del p. Just this line I am writing. Yeah, this one, yes, correct. And this is the last line, del z del y, this one, followed by this one, del y del u, and del y, sorry, yes, yeah, del u del p, this one. So yeah, this is the way you can break it. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Practice some of the problems you get so that your concept gets more cleared. It's important for your conceptual clarity, not in exam point of view. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video.